Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and this is part 62.7, version number 6. I don't know what version we are, but the Jose man, we had to go, and I had to go spend what? How much is that? Where is that thing?
This one was $34.99.
$34.99 at the local farm store to get a chain wrench. And looky there, he's got the new clutch fan on there. He did take the belt, the serpentine belt off, so now he's got to figure out how he took it off so he can put it back on.
Beautiful clutch fan is in. It is torqued to 55 foot-pounds as specified by Mercedes-Benz.
Haha, 55 torque pounds. And so now I am going to leave the video running while he puts the
beautiful new belt on.
Yeah, this was new. We did this new when we did the water pump. So.
Oh yeah, that was such a fun
Yeah, I think the other one is someplace hanging over there on the wall. So, folks, you know, old Jeff here has spent money on tools and getting quite a collection. But you know, it is only money, and the channel is not monetized. So what the heck? Who cares, right? It's just money. And then we'll get this car out and wash it a little bit, and maybe set it out in the yard with the. Oh, I have a collection of Mercedes-Benz sitting in the yard right now.
Hey, you sure do.
But here we go. He's gonna wind that belt around. And then the rest is installing the fan blade. Yeah, the grooves of the belt go around the grooves of the pulley. And when I came back out here, folks, he said, yes, I got it. There were a few choice words that started with the letter F. So it's probably a good thing we didn't have the video. Oh, your favorite other piece of equipment is the tensioner.
Yeah. And then where did I leave the wrench?
Now, while you're doing that, what just fell? Something just fell.
Yeah, it's just a flathead over there.
Oh, okay. So, is there a way to test to see if the clutch fan is bad? This one is a Bear, or this one's not original either. But it is very dirty, so we'll just call it failed. And hopefully the one made in China will function and do what we think may be the other problem, but hard to say. You know, just throwing parts at cars. You know, that's what we do around here, right? At Jeff's Cars and Garage, we just throw parts at, yeah, we just throw parts at cars, and hopefully maybe something will stick. We do try and troubleshoot, but we do throw parts at cars.
Whenever we have the right tools for it.
Yeah. So I'll try I'll put the links to each of the videos. I'll have to, that I can do, but I will put the links to each of the videos so that you can follow it, because it's all kind of messed up. We'll get a little more cool air, but yes. Vice Grip, the original. I probably am surprised. You know, I'm surprised I didn't have one before, Yui.
Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't even have one either. Well, I do have a cheap folding bar.
We just bust the budget on everything. $34.99 for the tool. Was it 34 or was it $29.99? I don't remember.
I don't remember now. There you are. Decent groove. First, second, third clutch. Fifth, pulley tensioner. AC water pump. Okay. Some tension there. She's coming up.
Oh, please tell me that didn't happen.
It's on there.
You sure you're right here?
Oh wait. That's what it is.
Because you got grooves on this pulley, and you go around the other way.
Loosen this guy up again.
We don't want to break that because
No. Can't afford it.
we'd be pushing the car around. So yes, this has got to go. Yeah, this. Oh, wait a second. That is. Oh, that's the grooves of the pulley. Don't we have the diagram? I thought we had a diagram on here.
Oh, we did too.
Oh, that's
She's still good.
okay. So that's seats in there.
Yeah, that goes there. That goes there. Wait a minute, something's not right here.
Goes.
Oh yeah, where is that diagram?
Didn't we look this up? You had this looked up on,
Oh yes, I did.
and I never printed it. Or no, I didn't print it.
I have it in my gallery here. I like to store everything here. Oh, glad that has it. It's fine. It's up here. Oh, that's what. No. Yeah, turn the pulley. This guy, and then it goes up. Down. No, that doesn't look right. This one, some top one. So that's what I did. I just took off the damn thing.
Yeah, you did.
this way. Then I bring this belt up, and there's my tension.
There you go. Oh,
Idiot.
there. Now you're in the grooves here.
That's what I did wrong.
Oh, you forgot the harmonic balancer pulley.
No, I had it routed differently.
Oh,
I mean, it was still the same, but a lot of tension on it. I mean,
a lot of
looseness.
legacy. Yeah. Now you can hit your tension.
Oh, let me stretch my back. Whew.
This car needs to be up a little higher. It's not a truck there.
No, I don't mind it. So, up this too tight. Yep, there it goes. Make sure it's in my grooves. Where's that? Yeah, right here. Here's my guy.
Are you loosening or is that tightening?
It's tighten it.
Oh, left is tight, and so this is the opposite, huh?
Oh wait.
Left is tightening?
No. Right is tight.
See? It's a good thing I'm here to question you.
My coordination is not so good on these. Okay. There we go, son.
Give it a little more, a little more.
Ah, slip off. Just slip off me, boy. Okay. Feel some tension now.
Should be good.
I'm gonna double check that tension. Close my tape. A little bit more. Let's see. That is good. It's not so tight. Not so loose.
Alright, so now putting the fan blades on, the shroud, and then we'll do a start. I may have to go wash this out here in the yard.
Oh yeah. I need a little clean.
Since I was putting antifreeze through the windshield washer on the windshield.
That explains why your windshield was a little sticky.
Sticky,
sometimes.
yeah, and well, and then yeah, it wasn't real clear.
Mhm.
Crazy things.
Things you do for cars.
Yep.
It could have been nice enough to give us a little more space here.
Well, it's a Mercedes. It's engineered like nothing else in the world. Or what is it? What is it? Engineered like no other car in the world.
That's right. One thing I did, trying to find the alignment of this.
gonna sit down here and watch. I guess I'll lower the. All he's doing now is put the fan blade, trying to bolt the fan blade on there. So do you recommend taking the fan blade off like you did?
Yes.
To get that off? Just gives you more room to mess.
I mean, not necessarily. You don't need to take it off if you have the proper tool.
Oh.
Now, if you don't have the proper tool, the easiest way to get it out is removing the
Fan blade.
the blade, and then removing the serpentine belt. And then you have enough access to hold that pulley
Okay.
with that vice grip chain. Yeah, it came to my mind. I'm like, wait a minute. There has to be another tool, and I remembered about a chain vice grip, and I'm like, oh shit. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, well, after you walk by it at the local farm store.
Yup. Gotta love bomb guards though.
Yeah.
There's times where you could find some decent tools. Red Harbor Freight's still my favorite tool.
Yeah, but we don't have a Harbor Freight in Tacoma,
Oh, yeah,
Nebraska,
that's right.
so we got to deal with the 15 or 20% more at Bomb Guards. But it is what it is. I mean, on a Sunday afternoon, and you need something, and they happen to have it, just like that barb fitting.
Oh yeah.
I mean, just happen to be a brass one, so that'll work.
Awkward angles I gotta get into.
Be nice if we had somebody with smaller hands, huh?
Yeah, that would be kind of nice. Yeah, it might be.
Well, folks, I'm gonna pause the video for a little bit because obviously there's it's taken a little bit longer than anticipated, but we'll just pause the video and pick it back up here in just a moment. All right, so our wonderful China-made clutch fan. I'll explain it while he's doing it, because I'll use the old one. So the spec is not exactly the same. He was having trouble getting the bolt that bolts into right here seated down. Well, on the one from China, one that came in this box, made in China, that I paid tariff on, it's actually at a right angle, and so when you put the fan blade over it, you couldn't torque the bolt down. So how to solve that problem was, went to our bag of tricks and put 3 little washers, thin washers on, and now it allows him to get the bolt to seat in there. So there's not a lot of tension on that, but or pressure. But you know, I guess I should just get OEM parts. But you know, when you're trying to save a little bit of money, it kind of, you know, it kind of hurts a little bit. It kind of hurts the pocketbook. So getting that torque down, and then put the fan shroud back on, and we're going to start the car and see how she does. Now we know that we're not going to leak any coolant, and one of the things while we were paused there, we kind of talked about was the car was, you know, it's a hard start, so that's one issue. The overheating or the getting warm was another issue, and that's the reason for changing the clutch fan. But we got to talking, and because we were losing coolant through the washer reservoir, through the washer fluid heater core, that would have been drawing a bad, you know, it would have probably drawn, could have sucked back through washer fluid, and then that could also have would maybe cause it to build some air pockets in there, especially if the washer fluid reservoir was low, which it wasn't. So we've got all kinds of stuff going on. May have to flush the radiator, or flush the cooling system and put all new cooling, coolant back through it. But at this point, I'm just going to go with it, because you know we've got a decent mix of antifreeze, antifreeze through it. So still not seating the way it's supposed to?
Oh no, it's in.
Okay.
Alright.
Now for the fun part.
You make sure there's nothing in the way, because I learned my lesson the hard way.
Oh yeah, this is the car with the no, that was the other SL with the coil wire. Or was it this one?
Actually, no, it was the other one.
Yeah, it was the other SL. So
yeah, it was the other one. Yeah, because this one's up here, and the other one was somewhere up here where it caught.
yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't the other one. I remember now.
Yeah.
Yeah. All cleared, no loose cables. Good.
Alright. So now here we go. I'll face the camera down. Now this one has the specific way it goes. You got to put in the first piece first. The preciseness. And then of course
I do
this,
like that. Mercedes does label everything for the most part.
for the most part, and it has its part numbers on it.
Yep.
Yeah,
it
that-
should have been smarter to put the ring first, then the guard. I always do that to myself. I don't know why.
Well, I think the manual says to take the ring off and then to take the, but it doesn't say the order to take it out of the car. It just says to take it off.
I got the actual mechanic book.
Oh yeah. Spin the blade, see if it touches anything. No touchy, no clicking.
Good.
All right, now this.
Here's my tray. There you are. This is for the windshield.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put it in here so we don't lose anything.
All right, now we got the front piece. Oh, all the clippies. The clippies.
Yeah, I almost forgot this last night. Heard it rattling one day. I'm like, you put
Yeah.
those in. And it was on, so. Damn it, Huey. There it goes, not touching.
Okay, now you have this last piece over here on the top little cover piece.
Top end. Hoses.
All the
Make it
little,
look pretty.
and don't forget your watch over there, and then we'll.
Watch. Oh, let me make sure I get that button out of here.
Oh yeah, don't want to
I
leave
was
to
holding it for,
good
holding it
measure.
for tension.
Oh, okay. All right, so start the car, huh? All right, look.
Yeah.
All right, let me.
All clear. Tools are clear. Yep.
Now it's been sitting here, folks, for gosh, what, about 4 hours? Nah, yeah, probably about 4.5 hours. So it might have its little hard start issue, but we'll find out. Ugh. That's kind of how it was earlier. I could tell the difference in the sound of the fan. It's sucking a lot of air.
Yeah, I don't think it likes it. That coolant. But it does sound better than it did.
Yeah, that. Always roll window down.
Sounds like it is doing its job. I can hear it.
Well, and that fan, I could actually tell the difference of the air volume that was coming across, because it felt. I mean, it just sounds like there's more wind. So
You can feel that suction
yeah,
a lot more than it what it was before.
All right, so folks, I think what we're going to do here is I'm going to end this video right here, and going to go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. See if it.
Sounds good.
See what she does. We know we've got the heater core for the washer fluid bypassed.
Yep.
We do know that it has a new fuel accumulator. And then I'm going to end this video, and then I'll have another surprise for a video, because as you see, we're not in here. Well, the white car's not in here. The white SL's not in here. So take this out on the road, give it a little bit of a road test, and then might have another video coming up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you if you want to change the clutch fan. I know it wasn't completely instructional because we paused the video there for a while, but I can tell you I don't hear a rattle, which I heard before. So even though this clutch fan was made in China,
Looks like it's doing the job.
I think it's actually sucking more air across the radiator. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't. Share this with your friends. Hit the thumbs up if this is something that it helps you. And hopefully we'll have some more tutorial videos, because I can guarantee you, I will let you know that the car that's coming in here next, I want to do some more work on it, and it won't be the SL. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.